everything below that place you're building is open to a slide.
Oh,
there is a hazard, David.
Ooh, baby, when I see your face, mellow as the month of May.
Avalanche, Wednesday at 8 during KST Washington's It's a Major Disaster Week.